You can actually work on a fair revenue rate for the states concerned, and then you have a cap on it. Stop. So that assurance must also come when the GST bill is brought before us. How it will be brought, I will come to later. So, when it is brought before the House, that should be taken into account. Stop. The third major point that I have, sir, is concerning the concrete amendments. Stop. There are certain problems in the concrete amendments which the Honorable Finance Minister has moved. Stop. In the third amendment, for instance, of clause 9, he suggests three categories he has given in bracket 1a, in bracket 1b, and in bracket 1c, sir, in bracket 1a, says the amount apportioned to a state under clause in bracket 1 shall not form part of the consolidated fund of India. Stop. Yes, because it has to be shared. Stop. So, once it goes in there, then you and I will have to sit again to apportion it. Stop. It is correct. The second amendment is also by the same logic. Stop. Okay. The third amendment, namely in bracket 1c, says where an amount collected as tax levied by a state under Article 246A has been used for payment of the tax levied under clause in bracket 1 stop para. The Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation has filed the above appeal aggrieved by the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court of Judicature Jaipur bench, by which Regulation 4 in bracket 3 of the Rajasthan State Road Transport Corporation Compassionate Appointment Regulations 2010 has been declared as violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Stop. The respondent's father, Muhammad Saeed, who was working as a helper in the appellant corporation, died in a motor accident. Stop. He was traveling in a bus of the appellant corporation which collided with another bus. Stop. A claim was made by the respondent before the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal TONC under Section 166 and of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988. An amount of rupees 135 lakhs was claimed, but the tribunal awarded a compensation of rupees 22 lakhs. Stop. The respondent made a representation to the chief manager of the appellant corporation seeking compassionate appointment. Stop. The request for compassionate appointment was rejected on the ground that the respondent was not entitled in light of Regulation 4 in bracket 3 of the regulations. Stop. Dissatisfied with the rejection of the request for compassionate appointment, the respondent filed a writ petition in the High Court challenging the constitutionality of Regulation 4 in bracket 3 stop para. The High Court allowed the writ petition by a judgment on the ground that Regulation 4 in bracket 3 of the regulations is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. The High Court held that the object of compassionate appointment is to mitigate the hardship of the family members of the breadwinner, and for that reason compassionate appointment should be provided to the family in distress stop according to regulation 4 in bracket 3 of the regulations. Claim for both compassionate appointment and compensation under the act cannot be made against the corporation in case of death of an employee while traveling in the vehicle of the appellant corporation stop. Regulation 4 in bracket 3 was found to be discriminatory because compassionate appointment can be provided to an employee who dies in an accident while traveling in a vehicle not belonging to the corporation, though he had claimed compensation either from the owner of the vehicle or the insurance company under the act. Before proceeding further, it is relevant to take note of regulation 4 in bracket 3 of the regulations which allows computation on account of injury or death to the person while performing official duty. Stop. This is the case for that period. Stop para. On the occasion of death of an employee of the corporation while performing his duty, or a vehicular death by the vehicle belonging to the corporation. Stop.